What are they doing? What are they doing? What is Cindy doing? Cindy is writing something on the book. There is a calculator on the table. Cindy is calculating something. What is Ewan doing? Ewan is doing something on the chair. He is sticking something on a notebook. What are they doing? Oh my God, they are students. They are studying and they are sitting on the chair. Oh yes, what is Grandma Sue doing? Grandma Sue sitting on the armchair and she is taking a sip from her coffee. She is drinking coffee. She is enjoying her coffee. She is happy. Grandmother is happy. What is Baby Ben doing? Baby Ben is playing with the ball and he is so much happy. All right, man. What is Dad doing? He is pouring some tea into a cup. There's a dog in the room. There's a dog in the living room. What is the dog doing? Oh, yeah, the dog is just lying on a mat. The dog is resting. The dog is sleeping by the fireplace. This family is a very busy family because everybody is doing something different. What is Christy doing? She is swimming. Oh my God, I am so sorry. She is swinging. Yes, Christy is swinging on the tree. Look at the photo. She's on the left of the photo. There's a big tree in there. What is Peter doing? Peter is running. What is Rose doing? She is sunbathing. She's sunbathing. Rose is sunbathing. What is Mickey doing? He's eating cat food. What are Amanda and Mary doing? They are sitting on the chair, they are talking, they are gossiping. What is Brunt doing? He is watering the flowers. What is Helen doing? She is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. She is combing. What is Tim doing? Tim is watching. Tim is watching outside. Tim is watching outside of the window. Where are they? They are in the garden. They are on the grass. They are on the grass. On the grass. Oh my God. Where are they? They are behind the house. What is the weather like? It is sunny and hot. Thank you.